Welcome back! Vegetarian is easy and delicious. Why not try some refreshing cold dishes in this hot weather?
The wood ear mushroom and tofu salad is delightfully crunchy and chewy with a tangy dressing that whets the appetite. Light and refreshing without greasiness, it's perfect for cooling down in hot weather. Simple yet flavorful, this dish is a must-have cold appetizer for summer meals. Ingredients are just black fungus and dried tofu. Rinse under running water while gently rubbing to remove loose dirt. Rinse again, trim tough stems, and drain before cooking. If you are using dried black fungus, soak the black fungus in cold water for 30 minutes to 1 hour until fully softened. Gently scrub with a bit of starch or flour to remove dirt and sand. Rinse thoroughly under running water before cooking. Dried wood ear mushrooms are dehydrated products made by sun-drying or oven-drying fresh black fungus, shrinking to about 1/10 of their original size for long-term storage. Fresh black fungus must be thoroughly cooked before consumption. Avoid eating it raw in cold dishes, as it may cause photosensitive dermatitis. Cook fresh wood ear for 3 to 5 minutes until tender, no crunchiness. After boiling, immediately rinse the wood ear mushrooms with chilled or ice water to preserve crispness and stop residual heat from softening them. Soak the dried tofu in boiling water for 2 to 3 minutes to sterilize and soften it for easier slicing. Let it cool slightly before slicing to prevent crumbling and ensure even cuts. The cool tofu slices will have a firmer texture and absorb the dressing more effectively. Tip: add 1/2 teaspoon salt to the boiling water to enhance the tofu's base flavor. The marinated tofu has a pleasantly chewy texture. Its sauce-infused surface contrasts with a tender, bean-fragrant interior. Thin slices deliver a light crispness, while thick cuts offer hearty satisfaction, both versatile for varied dressings. Seasoning: 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon sesame, all 1 tablespoon black vinegar. Gently toss in the dried tofu and mix carefully to avoid crushing the pieces. Tip: chill tofu for 30 minutes before slicing, mixing to firm up its texture. Feel free to customize. Add minced garlic and fresh coriander for fragrance, or throw in Thai chilies if you crave heat. All done, transfer to a serving dish and feast away. This cold tossed dish is not only quick and easy to make, but also packed with nutrients. Tofu offers plant-based protein, while wood ear provides fungal polysaccharides, low-fat yet nutrient-dense, ideal for weight management. The combined fiber from wood ear's colloids and tofu aids digestion and prevents constipation. Wood ear's iron 5 milligrams, 100 grams, and tofu's calcium combat anemia and support bone strength. Fungal polysaccharides bind toxins. Tofu isoflavones fight oxidation, joint anti-inflammatory effects. Low glycemic index and high satiety make this dish diabetes-friendly.
Who should avoid eating wood ear mushrooms?
Those with bleeding disorders or on blood thinners, for example. Warfarin should avoid, as its adenosine may prolong bleeding. People with severe digestive weakness post-surgery may struggle with its insoluble fiber, risking bloating or blockage. Allergy-prone individuals and gout sufferers and flare-ups should limit intake due to potential allergens, moderate purines, 10 to 15 100. Safe intake, 10 to 15 grams dried, 100 grams rehydrated per day for healthy adults. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For VO-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.